My guest today is North Carolina personal injury attorney Michael A. DeMayo of the law offices of Michael A. DeMayo, and he has just written a very informative book on Carolina injury law. So Michael, thanks for being here today.
Thank you for inviting me.
Well, Michael, I've read your book, and this is really an in-depth look at Carolina injury law. Tell us what prompted you to do this, because it's really a very big undertaking.
Well, it was a significant undertaking, Cindy. Myself and a number of attorneys, experienced personal injury attorneys across the country, collaborated on this book. And the idea was to give kind of a simple step-by-step question-answer example of what you can expect if you're involved in an automobile accident or a personal injury, and in our specific instance in North or South Carolina. We find that many times people either have the wrong information or they have a lot of insecurities or unanswered questions that cause them sometimes to make the wrong decision and or no decision, which on occasion can be the wrong decision. So I decided that I thought it might be a useful resource if we could put together this book with basic concepts and basic information so that someone, even without any kind of legal training or experience, could get kind of a rudimentary understanding of kind of a baseline of what to expect if they're involved and injured in an accident.
Okay. Can you give us a couple of examples as to what is included in this book?
Well, specifically, there's some tips on what to do with the insurance company, or more importantly, what not to do with the insurance company. There's some examples as to how to get treatment, what to say and do with regard to the facts of the accident. It certainly tells you from a specific standpoint that your injury is obviously the most important component of the case, and getting the proper treatment and care is very critical not only to your well-being but ultimately to a successful resolution of the case. Oftentimes there are situations where if someone's really not hurt, they get checked out at the hospital, and that's really all they're going to need. They really don't need an attorney, but they could use this book as a reference. Even though we give this, or we will be offering this book in a variety of different ways, if the person is severely injured, notwithstanding what I think is a fairly comprehensive read on what they should do, I still am of the opinion that they do need an experienced personal injury attorney to help them obtain the best results possible.
Okay. Now, Michael, how can someone get a copy of your book?
Well, the best way, Cindy, is to go to our website. You'll be able to go to our website, which is www.DeMayoLaw, that's all one word, DeMayoLaw.com, and you'll be able to download a copy of the book. If you don't want to do that, or you're not able to do that, the book is for sale. It can be purchased at Amazon.com. And alternatively, if you're either unable to print it off the web or unable to pay for a copy at Amazon.com, we ask that people contact our office directly, and we'll be happy to provide them with a courtesy copy.
Now, if someone is listening to this and they have been injured and have specific questions, how can they reach your firm?
Cindy, the best way to contact our office is toll-free anywhere in the United States, and that's 1-877-333-1000, or they can go to our website at www.DeMayoLaw.com.
Great information. Thank you, Michael.
Thank you.